Pitagara, Filipino. I am 29 years old. My religion is Catholic. I am single. I have 2 brothers and 4 sisters. I am the second child of the family.
Good day to you, Miss Petagara. How are you right now?
Sir, Madam, I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
The right attitude and good characteristic of a domestic helpers must be patient, honest, hardworking, and responsible. Sir, Madam.
Can you tell us how to take care of the children?
I will treat them like my own brothers and sisters, give them proper food, and give them medicine whenever they are sick. Give vitamins and take a bath, Sir, Madam.
What if you commit mistakes, what to do?
Sir, Madam, I will say sorry and promise I will not do it again.
Any message to your future employer?
Sir, Madam, please hire me. I need this job to help my family, especially the financial of my siblings in their studies. And promise to finish my 2-year contracts.
Thank you, Miss Geraldine, and good luck.
Thank you, Ma'am, Sir.